Click to see my twin? Here's the secret, I don't have one. In fact, this entire video was created using Gemini's new Omni AI. No cameras needed. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, Google Gemini dropped a massive update called Omni AI. Wait until you see what this can show you how to use it. So hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Let's see how Gemini Omni handles real-time interaction. Notice how smoothly the avatar moves as I turn my head. You can access this directly from the Gemini Advanced tab. Give it a try. With Gemini Omni AI, you can wave goodbye to ring lights and cameras because you don't even need to be physically present to create a high quality video. Welcome back to the next part of this tutorial. Let's dive in and take a look at how this works on screen. I'll guide you through the process step by step. Now, let's create your custom AI avatar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just like that, your digital twin is ready. Let's see how this avatar creation works. I'm going to type a prompt for a tech studio scene. The results are absolutely mind-blowing. Check this out. Welcome to your new AI-powered workspace. Now there is one small limitation when you create a video with Gemini Omni AI. It leaves a logo at the bottom. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how I remove it for absolutely free. Head over to a site called easeremove.ai. Look at the left sidebar, select AI Remover, and then choose the Video Watermark Remover tool. Upload your video here. You can manually select the watermark or just choose Auto Remover. Pick your resolution, click Remove Watermark, and within a few minutes, your clean, watermark-free video is ready. This is an absolute game changer for content creators. If you want to try this out, comment the word Omni down below, and I'll send you the direct link. Subscribe for more AI secrets.